Creating roadmaps in Jira helps you visualize and plan your project's progress over time. Here's how to create a roadmap in Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account and navigate to the project for which you want to create a roadmap. Access Roadmap feature. In Jira, roadmaps are typically available in Jira Software projects and Jira Advanced Roadmaps. If you're using Jira Software, go to the project sidebar and select Roadmap if available. For advanced roadmaps, click on Plans in the top navigation bar and choose Create Plan if you're setting up a new roadmap. Set up the roadmap. For Jira Software, click Create Roadmap or use the existing roadmap view to start adding issues. You can drag and drop issues to set start and end dates and adjust timelines directly in the roadmap view. For advanced roadmaps, choose a data source like a Jira project or filter. Configure the plan settings, including timeline, issues, and hierarchy. Add issues and configure their start and end dates, dependencies, and team assignments. Customize roadmap. Adjust the view settings to display the relevant information, such as issue statuses, priorities, and timelines. Use filters and views to focus on different aspects of your project. Share and collaborate. Share the roadmap with team members by setting permissions or sharing the link. Use the roadmap to discuss and align on project goals and timelines.